Correct pronunciation of these letters is very important in Quranic recitation. Ta, alif, lam, and in lesson number 2, part number 1. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's video is on lesson number 2, part number 2. In this lesson, we will learn about the Arabic alphabets huruf-e-tahji used in the Holy Quran. Although there are 30 letters, they are usually counted as 29 letters. The reason for counting them as 29 was explained in lesson number 1. So you can watch the first lesson on the channel for a complete explanation. In lesson number 2, part number 1, we learned and practiced 7 important letters. A separate short video is also available for practicing those letters. What we will learn today is from the remaining 29 letters, we will now study 3 special letters called huruf-e-mushtarak, that means mixed letters. These letters are alif, lam, and ra. They are called mixed letters because sometimes they are pronounced heavy, thick, and sometimes they are pronounced light, thin. In the recitation of the Quran, the detailed rules explaining when these letters are read heavy and when they are read light will be covered in future lessons. After removing the 7 letters learned in lesson number 2, part number 1, and the 3 mixed letters learned today, there are 19 letters remaining. These letters are called mustafila letters. What are mustafila letters? Mustafila letters are letters that are always pronounced lightly with thin voice in every situation. These letters are generally easier to pronounce and practice, and most Muslims are already familiar with them. Now, I will read these 19 letters. I will pronounce them. After pronouncing each letter, I will pause for few seconds so you can repeat them as well with me. So let's begin. These 19 letters are ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, dal, ذال, za, sin, shin, ain, fa, kaf, mim, nun, waw, ha, hamzah, ya. Important note: the most important and challenging letters to learn correctly are the huruf musta'liyah letters that we studied in lesson number 2, part number 1. Correct pronunciation of these letters is very important in Quranic recitation. If you have not watched that lesson yet, please watch it first. This was lesson number 2, part number 2. Please watch the previous lessons as they are short and easy to understand. With regular practice, you will be able to learn these letters step by step, inshallah. If you would like to continue learning, please subscribe to the channel. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.